Hello and welcome back. We're now going to do some Internet of Things on our Fauxnixie. I'm sick and tired of resetting the clock all the time, and it does have a drift. It loses about a minute every 5 days. So I got an ESP8266. Here it is, the WeMos. You can use it just like an Arduino, but you get Wi-Fi with it. Every 5 minutes, and when it boots up, it gets the latest network time straight from the source, and it's working out great. It's another one where I had to learn a little about serial communications between Arduinos, which I'd never done before. But I decided that this would be the one. I power each one independently. I don't have the Arduino power it up, but as you can see here, this is sped up footage, but it acquires the time for the server pretty quickly, 11:23. And it doesn't get the radio temperature right away. The radio temperature comes in at the end of the minute, but it's done pretty quickly. And here we go, boom, we've got our 88-degree temperature, and it just really worked well. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.